In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Facebook Marketplace account permanently, 2026. If you want to remove your presence from Facebook Marketplace, the most reliable approach is to delete every listing you've posted. Marketplace doesn't exist as a separate account you can close independently, so clearing out all your listings is what effectively makes your Marketplace footprint disappear. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get it done with confidence. Start by opening Facebook, either in your browser or in the mobile app. Make sure you're signed into the account that originally posted the items. From the main screen, look for the Marketplace icon, which looks like a small storefront. If you don't see it on your bottom or side navigation bar, open the main menu and select Marketplace from there. This takes you to the home area where you can manage everything you've listed. Next, head to Your Listings. This section gathers all the items you've posted for sale. You'll typically see active listings here, and sometimes tabs or filters for items that are pending, sold, or paused. Focus on your active items first because those are the ones still visible to buyers. Take a quick moment to scan the list and note anything time sensitive, like items with recent messages, so you're not surprised by follow-ups after deletion. Now it's time to remove each listing. Open a listings menu by tapping or clicking the three dots next to it. Choose delete listing, and when Facebook asks for confirmation, go ahead and confirm. Deleting a listing is permanent, so once you confirm, it won't appear in Marketplace searches, your profile's Marketplace tab, or in recommendations. If you want a record for your own files, consider taking a quick screenshot before you confirm deletion, but otherwise proceed to remove it. Repeat that same delete and confirm process for every listing you've posted. If you have a lot of items, it's helpful to move methodically from top to bottom, refreshing the page occasionally so you can see what's already gone. On mobile, you may need to back out to your listings after each deletion. On desktop, you can often stay in the same view and move quickly through the list. Take your time to ensure none are left behind. Once all listings are deleted, your Marketplace section will be empty, effectively removing your Marketplace presence. Give it a few minutes for changes to reflect everywhere. Then revisit your listings to confirm everything is cleared. That's it. Your Marketplace footprint is gone.